Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Sahil Mahajan, and in today's video, we're going to be taking a look into Amazon Polly. So let's dive right into the video. So firstly, let's talk about what is Amazon Polly. It is a fully managed service to turn text to lifelike speech using deep learning. So if you have any use case wherein you want to convert your text to speech, then you would be using Amazon Polly. You can integrate Polly with your applications to turn text to speech. And a couple of use cases are you have content creation. For example, you want to have voiceovers on some videos, you can use Amazon Polly because again, it is lifelike speech. So it is something that is pretty real. You can use voiceover for videos, and of course you can convert written content to voice. So that's a pretty quick overview related to what Amazon Polly is. Now let's head over to the Amazon AWS console and let's take a look into Amazon Polly. Okay guys, as you can see, I am on the Amazon Polly page where you can turn text into lifelike speech using deep learning. Let's quickly go ahead and click on try Polly. Again, related to the pricing, you only pay for what you use. So you're charged on the based of the number of characters of text that you convert to speech. So that's basically how you are charged. Let's quickly go ahead and click on try Polly. Again, I just want to give you a quick run through on how Polly sounds like and what are the different things that you can upload. So you have your engine. You have three types of engines that you can choose. You have generative. Generative produces the most expressive and adaptive speech. You have long form, you have neural, and you have standard. I'm just going to stick with generative for now. Of course, there are a lot of languages that are available. Now you see, because we're in the generative one, a lot of languages are not available. In fact, only English is available. But if I would change this to maybe standard, you can see that more languages do pop up. So we're going to click with generative. Language is going to be US, and of course you have a couple of voices you can choose from. Again, only for the generative engine you only have a limited amount of voices, so we're going to stick to these limited amount of voices. And you can see we have an input text over here. Hi, I am Ruth. I can read any text for you. Test this out. So we're going to quickly go ahead and click on listen so you are able to listen to this.
Hi, I'm Ruth. I can read any text for you. Test it out.
So you guys can see that was pretty cool. Of course, you can keep changing things around and you can try things on your own. You can also, have additional settings wherein you want to customize a couple of pronunciations. You can do that, or you have a speech file format settings. You can do have that too. So you can see how, Polly, Amazon Polly is pretty cool, and of course you can try a lot of things out over here. So this was basically just a quick demo on how you can use Amazon Polly and learn more about Amazon Polly. So I hope you guys did like this video. If you did, please make sure to leave a like, do subscribe, and do comment if you have any other topics out there that you guys would like me to cover. I hope you guys have a great day ahead. See ya, take care, bye bye.